Hi everybody, I'm Kathy and this is Cooking with Ma'am Talks.
And I'm Anna, and today we're going to be sharing with you the way I grew up drinking coffee, which is the Cuban way, and it's not with cream and sugar or one or the other or black, it's always with condensed milk.
It's itty bitty.
I did! I
so
found
cute.
them. It's a six pack of these little cans, and they only have, can you see how many ounces it has? I know I can't.
Not many.
Anyway, so I thought we would try it. Kathy has never tried it.
Because condensed milk, I use it in one recipe. It's so thick and so sweet, I can't imagine. Didn't you used to put it with Coke?
I used to drink it with Pepsi, and I also used to eat condensed milk. You get a bowl of cornflakes, and then you spread it all over your cornflakes. Now,
It's like frosting.
I know, but think about it. What do most people do? They put a lot of sugar, and I've seen people put
frosted flakes.
and then they put, or frosted flakes, and then they put milk. It's the same thing. It's just that this one is made for
It's
you.
a little thicker than
So
that.
we put usually about half an inch on the bottom, but
oh my gosh, that's good.
we're just going to use about a tablespoon because I'm not going to drink another cup of coffee. I won't sleep for 4 days.
But it's morning.
I know. I still won't sleep for 4
I
days.
accidentally gave Anna regular coffee one time in the afternoon, and the next day she's like, I don't know why I didn't sleep. I up all night. And I said, well, you had the coffee. She goes, no, but it was decaf. And I said, no, you didn't tell me to give you decaf.
I thought you knew. You think, being friends all these years.
You would think.
Okay, so you get to stir it.
Oh, is it going to be nice and warm?
It is nice and warm. You know why it's nice and warm? Somebody sent us this incredible carafe. It's called the
Tiken.
Tiken. Yeah, it's
T-I-K. Oh, sorry.
T-I-K-E-N.
K-E-N.
1, 2, 3. T-I-K-E-N.
And it doesn't get hot on the outside.
No,
so there's
not
nothing
at all.
on it. And this is the smallest. There's 3 sizes. This is the smallest of the 3.
I only made like a cup of coffee.
Yeah, just to do this. We'll talk more about it, but let's
It's really easy
try
to
this.
use. Okay, you're gonna.
What if
try
I don't
it?
like it? Can I
You're
tell you
gonna
that?
love it. You're gonna love
And
it.
this isn't really nice because it's keeping me warm. I'm so cold this morning, you guys.
I know. She complains because I don't put my heater
I
on.
know. I'll give you $10. Put the heater on.
No, I don't put my heater on because I'll get a headache. Let's see. Oh my God, I died and went to heaven.
It's good. It's just very, very sweet. You made strong. Is this regular coffee?
Yeah,
And it's strong.
yeah. See, I think it's weak.
You think this is weak?
Mm-hmm.
But you.
It has almost like a milkshake taste to it.
It has like a candy bar taste to it.
It's delicious.
A
People,
coffee
try
can-
it. Try it.
And by the way, since we don't have enough sugar,
Yeah, she complains about sugar in this. Kathy made this beautiful cinnamon.
cinnamon streusel coffee cake. It's from a recipe I got from an inn I stayed at in Colorado.
May I?
And she hasn't tried it yet. I have to tell you, I'm going to brag, not that I made it because it's not my recipe. It is the best coffee cake I have ever had in my entire life. And it is so easy to make. I've made it twice now in the last week and given out all over the place. I think it's so good. It's got walnuts, which you can do with or without, and I'll include the recipe.
So I like the walnuts. I do. And I even like the texture, but it has cinnamon.
I know you don't like cinnamon.
And I don't like cinnamon.
Yeah, we knew that ahead of time. But I promise you, if you want the recipe, I'm going to try and post it. If not, I can just send it. It's phenomenal. It is. Highland Haven Inn in Colorado.
Just email us at mamtalks.com if you want the recipe. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a work of art.
mamtalks@gmail.com.
Oh, that's right.
That's the website.
Oh, that's right.
So let me just mention really quick, because I want to just tell you about this guy. Double layer vacuum design, so it keeps the heat in really, really well. It's a culinary grade stainless steel material, even on the bottom. So bottom of the lid, sorry. It's more durable, it's healthier, and it's environmentally friendly, which we are all about environmentally friendly things.
I'm going to tell you what I like about it. I mean, I'm a small person. It's very easy to use this is so easy to push down this lever that opens up the spout.
No, it's a great craft.
It's really nice.
2 layers of anti-leakage rubber in the lid and a strong anti-leakage effect. So it's not going to leak on you. And non-slip collar at the bottom, right down here. So you're not going to have it like sliding on the counter.
No.
This thing is great. This is great.
It's so cute.
I will post the link for this and make a great Christmas gift for somebody.
I love it. I love it.
All right.
Yeah.
So we have our coffee. We have our cinnamon streusel coffee cake. What else?
And we have a beautiful new carafe. And here is to wishing you all a very happy and familiar Thanksgiving.
Definitely healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye.